Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C63, and today I will show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, you'll want to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, extend one on the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, though you do need to take off case of your phone first, and the tray will be located on the top left side of the device. Grab the tool and push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out, enough for you to pull it out. On the tray you have space for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. Now you don't need to occupy all the trays, you can just occupy the ones that you want. And from there you can pop the tray back into your phone, and the inserted cards should start working right away. Let's give it a second. For some reason the phone is struggling with unlocking itself, which I already encountered once with another REALME device. So I'm going to try to do it differently. I'm going to open up an application, select exit, and voila, I fixed the problem. Now if we pull down our notifications, you can see that we have our SD card working, and the SIM should be working as well once I turn off the airplane mode. So there we go. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.